Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add your location on Snapchat so that you can be featured on their Snap Map. So let's go ahead and open Snapchat first. And then what we're going to do is go to the top left profile icon. Then we're going to go to the top right gear sign. Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see additional services and manage. And then you're going to go down to permissions. Now, as you can see, mine has a couple of red things because I've turned some things off. But on the first one, you can actually enable the location here. And once you choose that, it's going to ask if you are sure. And once you go ahead and tap that, it will turn it on there. Now, another way to do this is actually going into your phone settings. And you're going to scroll down until you see your Snapchat app here and choose that. And then on the top, you can actually see location. I have mine set to never, but you can also choose ask next time or when I share while using the app or always. So there's a couple of ways to do it, but I hope this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.